Hello dear marketer, freelancer, and entrepreneur friends. In this video, I'll inform you for how to make, market and sell ebooks, all for free. So, if you too are looking forward to make ebooks, and sell them on the internet, to earn lucrative income from home, and that too without any investment from your side, then keep watching this video, and please don't skip any part. What is an ebook? Ebooks are the digital form of hard copy books that are generally available in the libraries in paperback forms. Ebooks are easy to handle, read, and make because there are no manufacturing and supplying costs of an ebook. You can also publish your ebooks on different online platforms like Barnes & Noble, CreateSpace, and Kindle Direct Publishing to earn a lucrative income from home. All you need to make, design, and sell ebooks from your home is a good computer with uninterrupted internet connection. Ebooks have become widely famous because of their availability in different formats. Let's learn about some of the basic formats of ebooks. Different types of ebook formats. Before we learn how to make, market and sell ebooks, all for free, let's try to understand the different types of ebook formats that you can make. 1. PDF. PDF is the most widely known format of ebook that are supported by the Google Chrome browser and Adobe Acrobat Reader platforms. If you make ebooks on PDF, then your readers can easily read it on any device with the help of Adobe Acrobat PDF Reader. Although PDF ebooks are the most popular format for providing free ebooks in the form of flyers, lead magnets, catalogs, etc., but they are not much famous in case of commercial use. It's because PDF files are not reflowable, that is, these files are not responsive to the size of the device on which they are read. So, if you are looking forward to make ebooks for commercial purpose, then think again, because you may lose some readers because of the lack of reflowable features. 2. EPUB. EPUB is another famous format of ebook publishing and distribution, which was developed by the International Digital Publishing Forum. EPUB is an open source ebook creation platform, and that's why it has become famous among most of the ebook creators on the internet who don't want to invest large amount of money on ebook creation, publishing, and distribution. Another beneficial feature of EPUB ebooks is that you can easily include color images, SVG graphics, and other media element like videos. So, if you are looking forward to make ebooks for commercial purpose, then you can make ebooks on EPUB, and that too for free, because it is open source software. 3. Mobi. Mobi is another widely known format for ebook publication, which was developed by a French company. Amazon bought Mobi software and format in the year 2005. If you want to make your ebook in Mobi, then you can simply go to the Amazon website, upload your Word or other file that you want to convert into Mobi. 4. AZW3. AZW3 is another widely used ebook format that was introduced by Amazon. It is similar to Mobi, with some more features. The reason why Amazon started to provide most of its ebooks in the AZW3 versions would be because of copyrights. Mobi and EPUB versions can be easily read on any open software ebook reader, and therefore, Amazon would have been facing difficulties to control the distribution of its ebooks and copyrights protection. That's why Amazon would have launched its own ebook reader software like AZW3, so that any person cannot easily read the ebooks without buying it from Amazon. Anyway, you don't need to buy any software to convert or publish your ebooks on these versions, because Amazon provides them free to the Amazon Kindle users. You can write your ebook on a Word file, design an ebook cover image, and then upload it on the Amazon Kindle platform. Amazon will automatically convert your ebook to the required format. How to design an ebook. The best way to design an ebook is either to use a free software version like Canva, or invest some amount on a software called Trello. Canva. Good option for beginners. Canva is the best platform to make PDF ebooks, but merely for the ebooks that are only 10 to 20 pages long. All you have to do to make ebooks on Canva is to sign up for the free account, search for US letter template type, and then choose the template having more than single page. Although, Canva is the best choice for you if you need small ebooks from 10 to 20 pages, but you need professional ebook maker software if your requirements are more than 20 pages. Canva is not suitable to make ebooks that are 20 pages or longer, because you would have to design each page separately in Canva. Canva doesn't provide ebook templates. You would have to use other similar templates. If you are a professional who want to earn money from his or her ebooks and you want to make ebooks that are 20 pages or more, then I would suggest you to buy the premium version of either Crello or Scribble. Crello, better option for professionals. Crello is the better platform to make longer pages ebooks because it has already hundreds of ready-made templates. Although, you can try the basic version of Crello for free if you want to make ebooks not longer than 50 pages. Crello provides hundreds of free templates for designing ebooks, and I was really amazed with the stunning ebook templates on Crello, which are much better than Canva. If you are willing to make an ebook for free, then just visit Crello, sign up for free with your Facebook or Gmail ID, and search for the ebook, and choose the option of ebook with the dimensions of 1600 x 2650 pixels as shown in the screen. Now, you'll be redirected to another page, with dozens of ebook templates showing in the right side, as showing in the screen. Click on any template, and edit the topics, with the topic on which you are going to write an ebook. Now, click on the new page button showing at the bottom right corner of the dashboard, and then click the template page which you need as your second page, and edit the page with your own content. Similarly, again click the new page button and add another ebook template, and you'll be able to make a stunning ebook, which you can then download for free from Crello. If you need some more templates, then you can go for the pro version of Crello, where hundreds of stunning ebook templates, images, covers, and many more resources will be available for you. Although Crello is the best way to make small ebooks, but I found some bugs in the software. For instance, you have very few flexibilities to change the font sizes on Crello, and they start from 3, 6, and then 8, 10, and so on. If you want to change the font sizes to anything else like 4, 5, 7, 9, then such flexibility is not available in Crello. Another thing, the content is not automatically set for every page on Crello, and you would have to make editing of every page separately to design your ebook. Scribble, best option for professionals. If you are willing to spend a little bit of amount to get the best ebooks for your commercial purpose, then I think Scribble is the best choice for you. Scribble is the cloud-based ebook creator software with AI capabilities. You just have to select a best looking template from hundreds of templates available in the Scribble dashboard, and then upload your Word file for the content. Scribble will automatically adjust the content with the template. Scribble also provides many exciting features of customizing your font colors, themes, headlines, images, buttons, and many more. In fact, you can simply provide any URL of your blog post, and Scribble will change it into a good-looking ebook for you in a matter of seconds. You can read the full Scribble review from the link given in the description. Scribble is the best ebook creator tool for you if you are a freelancer who design many ebooks weekly. It can increase your overall revenue with good rating feedbacks on websites like Upwork and Fiverr. Which kinds of ebooks can you publish on Kindle? So, now that you know everything about how to make an ebook for free, let's try to understand what kinds of ebooks can you publish on Kindle Direct Publishing. But before you publish any book on Kindle Publishing, make sure that you have all the rights of the ebook that you are publishing. I would suggest you to publish the ebooks on Kindle that are written by yourself, and you have the rights for that ebook. You can buy the copyrights of ebooks in bulk. Just search the keyword "buy copyrights in bulk" and you'll see the website, which is providing online copyrights in bulk in your country. You can also mail your ebook in the CD format to the copyrights office in your country to get the copyrights. Please don't publish any ebook that you get as the Resala rights or PLR rights, because most of these books are already available on Kindle. I also tried to publish the PLR ebooks on Kindle, and all of them were blocked. How to publish your ebook on Kindle? I'm sure you must have an account on Amazon website. You can use those credentials to sign into Kindle Direct Publishing. Once you sign up, then you'll get a dashboard something like showing in the screen. Now, click on the Kindle ebook button, showing in the screen. In the next page, enter your credentials like the title of your ebook, description, copyrights information, and keywords. In the next page, upload the ebook that you have written either in the PDF, Mobi, Word, or AZW3 format, the ebook cover for your ebook, and other necessary information. In the next section, select the territories or countries where you want to sell your ebook, royalty and pricing, and other information related to your ebook is showing in the screen. Now, recheck for any information that you've missed, and if everything is fine, then click the Publish Your Kindle ebook button. Congratulations! Now your ebook will be available to buy on most of the Amazon websites in the territories you've chosen. How to earn lucrative income from public domain ebooks. If you have no ebooks written by yourself, or the ebooks for which you have the copyrights, then don't worry, because there are already many free ebooks available in the website called Gutenberg. All the ebooks on Gutenberg are the public domain ebooks, and you can publish these ebooks on any publishing platform. Public domain ebooks are the ebooks whose copyrights have expired, so you can use them without any worries of copyright claims by the authors. Most of these ebooks are 100 years or older, but still there are many gems you can find on Gutenberg. However, don't try to publish them on Kindle, because Amazon already has thousands of such ebooks published. Although, you can try other platforms available in your country. Conclusion. So, friends, this was my detailed post on how to make, market and sell ebooks, all for free. If you still have any doubt about how to publish your ebooks, and you want to learn more about this topic, then I would suggest you to pursue a course on Udemy on the same topic by my friend Jason Matthews. Jason Matthews' course with the same name is the most famous course on Udemy, and now his course is available only for $9 on Udemy. So, this is a great opportunity for you to pursue a full course on how to make, market and sell ebooks, all for free, so don't miss this chance. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like my